Internet, just a quick catch up really. Rideable Classics now is looking for the next project, and I'm looking for something like a Fizzy or an SS50 or maybe an RD125LC, something like that. But you know, I'm open to suggestions really. So if you've got something that you want to get rid of that's maybe tucked up in the back of your garage or in the shed, then please do get in touch, because I'm looking to line up our next project for when the GPZ's finished. I don't think I'm going to be selling the GPZ, but I will be selling the next project that I do. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to cracking on with the next project, as well as completing the one that we're working on now. But it's nice to have something in the pipe. So if you've got something, or you know of something or you know of somebody that wants to sell something, then drop me a message in the comments below, or through the contact function on YouTube. You can send me an email, a private email, and I will come back to you. As I say, I'm looking for something to buy now, so do let me know if you've got anything that you think I might be interested in. This really is open to UK residents only, unless we can come to some arrangement on shipping. But you know, my Transalp's a German bike, the RD was a German bike, and you know, I'm really not too fussed. So have a think. If you've got anything that you think would benefit from a restoration, then do let me know, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you.